My high school teacher once told me, "Vous êtes votre seule limite." It's a French quote which means you are your only limit. Hi everyone, my name is Allan, currently a technical engineer at AIBrain. I would like to introduce one of AIBrain's products, Tyche. But before I introduce Tyche, I'd like to briefly introduce myself. I was born in Cameroon, a country in West Central Africa. I grew up in the capital and I left to further my studies abroad. I studied both in the US and in South Korea. And after leaving my hometown, I currently work as a technical engineer for AIBrain. I love basketball, painting, and problem solving. But today I'd like to talk more about Tyche. Firstly, what is Tyche? You may be wondering what Tyche is all about. Tyche is basically an AI robot or a companion for kids. A robot that can talk, that can listen, that thinks, and that can reason and plan and solve different tasks. Several cutting-edge technologies have been built and integrated to bring Tyche to life by a talented team of engineers here at AIBrain. You can think of Tyche as a simple companion that talks, that listens, and that thinks. Tyche has some unique features like an interactive robot, a car feature. It has a facial recognition features. It has AI communication features, and also voice recognition features. It's also really very unique in applications, and it has a Tyche AI app. It has plan and movement applications, and it also has a vision application. These apps distinguish Tyche from other robots in the market. And Tyche has been featured in different journals like The Guardian, CES, and Robotics Expo all over the world. For example, The Guardian referred to Tyche as the most intelligent smartphone robot in the world. I'd love to show you a quick demo of Tyche. Hello.
Hello, Allan.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Turn right.
Okay,
Turn left.
okay,
Move backwards.
okay,
Move forward.
okay,
Turn around.
okay,
Move forward.
okay,
Move backwards.
okay,
Turn around.
okay.
What is your name?
My name is Tyche.
How old are you?
I don't know. Can you tell me more about it?
How old am I?
You are 28 years old.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looking at Tyche from a visual perspective, you may be thinking, why do I need Tyche? What is Tyche all about? Tyche is basically a communication assistant. Tyche was designed to function intelligently by combining the power of your smartphone and the power of a sleek designed robot car device. Some fun contents in Tyche include communicating, block coding, drawing and movement control, remote control, talking, various games, and object tracking. The various apps you can integrate and use with Tyche, they're available in the App Store and Google Play Store for you to download. Tyche has a great global presence in schools, in workshops, and also in different tech communities. Children can also learn and develop the skills while they think and they interact with Tyche. It's a really important asset for kids. I would like to conclude by defining Tyche in 2 sentences for you. You can refer to Tyche as an artificial friend whom you can talk to in a fun way, or Tyche is a great gift. Those who want to hear and better express themselves can use Tyche. Thank you, and please visit our website to know more about Tyche, and be sure to contact us if you have any more questions. Vous êtes votre seule limite. My pleasure. Coming up next, my colleague Eunji will talk about our AutoML program.
Hi, I'm Eunji Lee. Bonjour, je m'appelle Eunji, a manager of AutoML for AI-powered professionals course in AIBrain. I was born and grew up in South Korea, and I studied both in France and in South Korea. And then I worked in the United States, and then currently I'm working for AIBrain in Korea. AutoML for AI-powered professionals course is designed to give you the easier understanding of the artificial intelligence by focusing on the wider picture, the streamlined process of creating AI models. We've prepared a range of resources, tools, and support systems to encourage you to be engaged in our community as a part of AI School, which we are looking forward to sharing with you. Our AutoML course assumes no prior knowledge of machine learning or programming theory. We will focus on the key areas of automated machine learning and the application of skills related to them, which are practical to various problems in real life. We embark on 40 hours of journey through the 4 stages of the hands-on labs and real-life examples. In the Module 1, Introduction to Automated Machine Learning, you're going to ideate your own AI-powered product and build a customized AutoML model for your very own problem due at the end of the course. In the Module 2 and 3, you're going to learn about various AutoML models such as image classification, object detection, sentimental analysis, document classification, and tabular prediction. Ideating a smartphone application that uses machine learning. You have to submit your product idea and create a simple, low-fidelity prototype that demonstrates how your app will use AI. In the Module 4, you will be guided to train a customized machine learning model with AutoML for your product idea. In the end, you will be able to submit your trained model and complete the term project. Deepen your skills. To make sure that you will get a deep understanding of all the topics, each lab has its own homework assignments to help you deepen the skills learned during the course. Join the AI School community. Share your questions and answers with lab instructors and fellow students. We have lab instructors available for one-on-one assistance in case you need help with your homework assignments. Stay in touch with your peers and leverage a professional network of like-minded AI practitioners. We provide a dedicated alumni channel for all successful graduates of our course. You too are able to become an AI-powered product manager with our course, applying basic machine learning skills into your real-life problems. That's it for now, but I will look forward to seeing you in the Module 1 of our course. Thank you.